Hey traders, welcome to the ForTrader X platform tutorial, where I will guide you through our futures platform ForTrader X. Let's get started. After purchasing one of our challenges on futures, you will need to head to our dashboard and go to the Futures Challenge account, where you will find your account credentials and link to ForTrader X platform. You can choose between web platform or mobile app. Today, we'll take a look at the web platform and we'll go through the mobile app in one of our next videos. To log in, you will need your email and password. When you first log in into ForTrader X, you will see that you have two workspaces, Basic and Advanced. Let's start with the Basic. It's the simplest workspace, so it's great for everyone. In the middle of your screen, you can see a chart. Right now, it's empty because in the search bar, you have to type the futures contract you want to open. For example, I will go with the E-mini S&P 500, so I will type the shortcut ES. Under that, you will find main futures contracts without an expiration date. You won't be able to open trades with these, so you have to change it to futures. And here you will choose the futures contract with an expiration date. I will go with the one expiring in September. Under the chart, you will find a panel where you can see your positions, orders, trade history, trading journal, and messages. If you would like to open a trade, you can do it through the option in the top left corner of the chart, where you type the number of contracts and choose buy or sell. But we'll take a closer look at this in the next episode. You will find everything important under the Basic workspace. But let's take a look at what the other panels mean so you know when to use them in case you are not sure. To add a panel, you have these two options here, Account and Market. The only panels under Account that are not showcased in the Basic workspace are Account and Account Transactions. Account panel shows you your account information like balance, equity, and margin. Account Transactions shows you every transaction you did on your account. From the market, there are four panels that are not in the Basic workspace: Watchlist, DOM Ladder, Time and Sales, and Alerts. Under Watchlist, you will see all main futures. Now moving to DOM Ladder. DOM stands for Depth of Market. The ladder is a vertical display of price levels in the market. On one side, you see buyers waiting with limit orders. On the other side, you see sellers waiting with limit orders. The central column of the ladder is a list of price levels. You can see that the last traded price is highlighted. It's useful for seeing the liquidity, where most of the buyers or sellers are sitting, and it allows fast execution of your trades. Now, Time and Sales. Time and Sales shows you a running list of every trade that actually happens in the market. So DOM Ladder shows you waiting orders and Time and Sales shows you realized orders. Under Alerts, you will find all your alerts. You can create an alert when the market hits some certain level. If you want, you can create your own workspace by clicking on this plus button and personalize everything as you want. But as I said, you will find everything important in the Basic or Advanced workspaces. And that will be all from the interface of ForTrader X platform. In the next episode, we'll dive into how to open trades in ForTrader X.